be doing a INSTAX film review and show you guys my little stash. Now I've had this thing, look at that, I've had this for 3 to 4 years. Like, I love my little Fujifilm, and I have the INSTAX Mini 8, and this thing is just awesome. As you can see in the front, you can you choose the different settings. It'll light up to tell you which one you need to do. Like, let me switch it, hold on. Okay, that's better. So we have house, which is for when you're indoor, that's indoor lighting. Cloud for if you're outside and it's cloudy. Sun, next to the cloud is if it's just average bright, and then the last one is if it's really, really bright out. And this, they have this because you have to turn it to which one, and they have it because it has a flash. So if you have it on the wrong one, say you have it on the house instead of the sun and it's really bright, the flash will go off like you're in the house and give it extra flash, and it'll actually blur the photo, like it'll make it more white. So let me pop it open. This is the button where you turn it on. Pops up. This is where you take the photo. This is the lens, and not the lens, this is the camera view, like where you look through the viewfinder, is that what you call it. This is a flash, and let's turn it around. This is where the photo comes out, right here. And then I just added 2 stickers. This tells you how many pieces of film you have left in there. This is where you look through, and then this little box right here is where you put the film itself. So I'm not going to take a picture because I do not want to waste my film. So I thought this was pretty cool. Oh, the batteries go in there. You know, I don't remember the last time I even changed these batteries. They last a really long time. So there's the camera itself. Now I love this. I was thinking of getting a second one. I'm not too sure because I still have this one that works perfectly fine. So I do have a lot of accessories for it in albums. I guess I'll start with like framing. So I feel like I have more than this. I know I do have. I have 2 more. I have 1 more of this color, 1 more of this color, and then 2 more of these black ones. And I actually have film in them. And then I have another one of these. It's like hangs, and it fits 10 in there. Photo album. So, okay, I guess I'll just start off with this one then. This holds 10 little films, and you just put it right in there, and then it hangs by this, hanging on the wall. I currently have mine in the foyer with photos of the dogs from when they were like puppies, and I hang their leashes there. Next, I have this 5, it's the stand. It stands up, like, you can put it however you want. And it has 5 spots for different photos. So that's really cool. I did use this, but I took it down, so now I just have it waiting for whenever I need it. Next, I have 2 more of these actually as well, but they're on the fridge with dog photos. And they're just magnets. Now, all of this you could find on eBay, Amazon, or Walmart. That's where I go. I believe these are from Walmart. This is from eBay. This is from Amazon. Not too sure, you know. I might probably even found this like at Ross. So I have 4 of these. Then we have, let me do these ones. So I have 2 pink and 2 blue, and they're so pretty. I think I got these off eBay. No, Walmart. Wow. Okay, so these are from Walmart. I thought these are just so cute. I have these in our living room. So I have 4 of those. Then I've got, I believe these are Walmart too then. Yeah, these are Walmart. Then I got 4 of these. Just simple. And then you can hang them on the wall. Let me see. This one is just stand only. So this is stand and wall. And then that's it for like mini frames. This is just something to clean the lens with. Then all of these, you guys, are frames. Like, look at how cute these frames are. They're just flat, floral. These ones are graffiti. Let me see. So these are what the frames look like itself. Like, you actually take this, like, middle part. Like, you see how this is the photo right there? Well, before you put the photo there, it's just all one photo, like, little design. And then, can you see that little crease? You take that out, and then you stick this right on the photo itself. So I have graffiti, floral. Then I just got milky colored pattern. That's what it's called, milky color pattern. This just has, let me see, hold on. So it's just all these different pastel colors with different designs, patterns. So there's that. These, oh my gosh, I have so many. These are all frames. All different kinds. Did you see that? Jelly beans? I have stuff I don't even know I have, honestly. I need to go through these. So, more sticker frames, and then these ones coming up are probably the coolest because they're for holidays. Like, I just got these for photos for my daughter. Well, we don't celebrate Hanukkah, but 4th of July. So that's going to be for her 4th of July, St. Patty's Day, Halloween. What is this? Oh, another Kwanzaa. New Year's. Okay. I don't know what this one is. It looks like it's for spring. So, spring. Another Halloween. Look how cute, you guys. Another Kwanzaa. Easter. Valentine's Day. Christmas. Thanksgiving. Christmas. Independence Day. Valentine's Day. St. Patty's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and New Year's. But the thing that kind of stinks is that, like, you see the whole design, but that's going to be coming off. So really, it's just like the frame itself. So I'll still probably keep the middle part for part of her scrapbook, because I do have scrapbooks for her that I'm going to be doing. So there's that. And then I just have an extra case of film. So there's 20 in here. Comes in a pack of 2. Next, oh yeah, this bad guy. This actually clips on, and you could take selfies with it. You see? That's supposed to be a mirror. And then also, if you're not taking a selfie, this actually, it zooms in. So like, you attach it, once this is popped out, you attach this, and it'll zoom in. See, I just clipped it on. So that's what it looks like. So it's kind of cool because it's for selfies, because you can look and make sure you're pointing at the right area. But also, if you don't want to take a selfie and you just want to zoom in, have a better zoom, you use that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. There's that. And then this is a little like stand frame. So this is from 2016. Holy cow. So yeah, let me show you. It stands up alone. And all pictures in this album are from July 24th, 2016 and on until... I actually haven't put stuff in here in so long, you guys. Oh, look at my boy. See, these ones have little frames around them. But yeah, I haven't filled in anything else. So this, I don't know. I think this is from Walmart. Walmart or Target, I'm pretty sure. And then these are all my albums. So let me bring them this way. Ugh. Okay, let's see here. So I put these number 1. So I have this one, then this one, that one. This one's empty because I just got it. I just got these two because this one is for my daughter. I wanted to start her own. So I'm still filling it in. But I did have to wait a while until I could start taking photos of her because the flash is so bright on this. I did not want to take flash photos of her until she was probably 4 or 5 months. So the first one I took was in August. She was 5 months then. Well, about to be 5 months. So that's the first one I took. The rest are gender reveal. And then when we announced we were pregnant, well, we were expecting, July 2018 is the day. And it says welcoming baby Durden March 16, 2018. So, yes. This is her little album that we'll be filling out. First Labor Day. First day of October. Her and her cousin. Her playing with her brothers and sisters. See, this is what I was telling you guys about the flash. Because I actually opened the blinds, so it was really bright in there, and I did not check the settings and make sure that it was on the sun. So when the flash went off, it actually messed up the photo. So make sure if you guys have one or are getting one, make sure you definitely check every time before you take a photo, because this was going to be really cute and you can't really see jack. So I'm glad I have an example to show you guys. So yeah, I'm still filling that one in, so that one's hers. And then once it's filled, I'm just going to add like the rest of her photos, anything after this album, to ours, because we are a family. This one's empty. Haven't gotten to this one yet. But these flower ones are all from eBay from Japan. And it says it would be here in 2 to 3 weeks. I always get mine in a week. And there's a spot that you can put photos in the front. So I'm going to put a cute photo of her here. And probably. And then these ones I just put the years because I don't want to get them mixed up, even though some of them are dated and some of them aren't. So this is the first one. I started this in 2014, so this is 4 years old. Let's see. Oh, look at the babies. Our original. These are our first kids. So yeah, just many memories. See, some of them are dated. Look how small Thor was. 4.5 months old. He was big then, but he's small compared to what he is now. 50 pounds. He weighs like 90 now. Oh yes, look. Disney Halloween. It's not really showing, but it's like a pumpkin around a wreath. Baby shower. Not my baby shower. This was somebody else's baby shower. My sister's. I actually planned it. It was so fun. A hot Cheeto bag and crayons. Don't ask me. I don't know, you guys. Yeah, so what is this? See, I haven't looked in here in so long. What is that? That must be something from Disney or a zoo. Because it's like under a log. Oh yeah, this is definitely the zoo. See, here's another photo of putting it on the wrong setting. It just washed it out. This one I actually used to keep in my my bag. It's like I named it To Go album. But I actually stopped carrying it around because I was scared. I did that scratch you saw. Hold on. That scratch, is from me carrying it around. I was not as careful as I should have been, so I did not get very far. I got probably halfway through, if that. So yes, these are all my albums. My baby's album, blank albums, frames, camera. I just really wanted to show this to you guys because I love INSTAX. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review slash overhaul. Yeah. Definitely be doing more of these if I get new items for it, or if I get that the INSTAX printer. I'll definitely do a review, and I will be doing a scrapbook with me, so that'll be really cool. So have a good day, guys. Bye. I knew I was forgetting something. I do have one more thing. This is the carrier that I got to hold the INSTAX. Just leather, and there's a top that goes over it and snaps in, so it protects the front. Just figured I'd show you guys really quick. So cute.